If you're a busy parent who's tired of the 5 p.m. panic, staring into an empty fridge, wondering what the heck to feed yourself and your family, then this video is gonna change everything for you. I'm gonna show you how to prep an entire week of healthy meals in under 2 hours, and it's not gonna cost you a fortune or require you eat the same boring chicken and broccoli for 7 days in a row. Most meal prep videos won't tell you this. You don't need to create some super extensive menu and prep every single meal individually. You don't need fancy containers or expensive appliances, and you definitely don't need to spend 6 hours cooking on Sunday. What you need is a tried and tested and simple system. And that's exactly what I'm gonna be giving you in this video today. It's gonna make your life a lot easier. I'm Dr. Anthony Balduzzi, founder of both the Fit Father Project and the Fit Mother Project. My team and I have helped over 60,000 busy parents over the past 10 years lose fat, build muscle, and most importantly, make nutrition simple and sustainable. So let me show you the exact meal prep framework that works for real busy parents with real lives and schedules and families. First, let me guess your typical weeknight. You get home from work exhausted. The kids are hungry and cranky. You open the fridge and nothing. So what happens next? You open up the phone, Uber Eats, you order takeout again. Or you throw together whatever's in the pantry or in the freezer, and usually that means processed foods that are higher in sugar, lower in nutrition, and just not the best stuff. But here's what's really happening. You're not just wasting money or not eating the healthiest, you're literally getting stuck in a cycle where you want to eat healthy, you should be eating healthier, but you can't seem to make it happen consistently, and that builds up frustration. But the real problem isn't your willpower. The problem is you're making nutrition decisions when you're already tired, hungry, and stressed. That's a reactive approach, and it's a recipe for long-term failure. But what if you can make one decision on Sunday that sets you up for success all week long? Here's the solution. This simple framework changes everything. I call it the perfect plate method. Instead of prepping complete meals that you'll get sick of by Wednesday, you're gonna prep components of those meals in 4 main categories. Number 1, your go-to proteins. Number 2, your go-to veggies. Number 3, your healthy carbs. And number 4, your go-to healthy fats. 4 categories, start thinking in that framework. And when you prep these separately, you can mix and match throughout the week with tons of flexibility. Monday, you can have chicken with sweet potato and broccoli. Tuesday, you can have that same chicken in a wrap with avocado and greens. Wednesday, you can make a rice bowl with different toppings. Same ingredients, completely different meals. No food boredom, no wasted time, and here's the best part, this works whether you're feeding yourself or a family of 5 because there's so many combinations that works for everyone's preferences and food restrictions. All right, so let me walk you through exactly how to do this. First, you need to pick your go-to foods. For protein, pick 2 to 3 that your family actually enjoys. For most people, it's foods like this: chicken breast, chicken thighs, or turkey, ground beef, wild salmon or white fish, eggs, or if you're plant-based, tofu, tempeh, or lentils. And here's the hack. Season your chicken breast with simple spices that work in many different meals. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika. Throw them in the oven for 375 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. That's it. And while that's cooking, you're moving on to the next category, veggies. For veggies, again, pick 2 to 3 that your family will actually eat and enjoy. Steamed broccoli, roasted asparagus, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, or literally just some simple mixed greens, or saute some bell peppers and onions. As a pro tip, buy a big container of organic spring mix. There is literally 0 prep required. Anytime you have a meal, you just grab a clump of this, put it on the side, you have greens, put a little lemon, salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil. You can get greens in your meals so easy this way. And you can even throw some of these veggies in there with the chicken, like the asparagus. You can roast at same temperature, same time, and you're being so productive in this process. Now for the healthy carbs, and yes, you can eat carbs and still lose weight, pick 1 or 2 of these clean sources. Fruit, wonderful. Sweet potatoes or purple potatoes. Brown rice or quinoa, Ezekiel bread for sandwiches, steel-cut oatmeal for breakfast. Here's your secret weapon. Get a rice cooker or a pressure cooker. Throw in your rice or your quinoa with water and press start. It's done in like 20 minutes, perfectly cooked every time. Personally, I love the pressure cooker. I use it for things like potatoes as well. And speaking of sweet potatoes, you could throw those in the oven for around 45 minutes at 375. Just make sure you stab them beforehand so they don't explode, or use that pressure cooker as well, which keeps them very moist in the process. And finally, the healthy fats. These really don't need any prep. I'm talking about buying avocados. You want to add about a half of those to your meals. Extra virgin olive oil, drizzle that on your meals. Nuts and seeds, so like hemp hearts, pumpkin seeds on top of your meals, and a little cheese too if dairy works for you. Keep these on hand, add it to your meals for extra flavor and healthy fats, and you're set. Now, here's how you pull this all together into the perfect plate method. Half of your plate, fill it with veggies. A quarter of your plate, pick a protein, and the last quarter of your plate, healthy carbs, and then add that serving of fat, like 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or that half avocado. So for example, on Monday, you could have grilled chicken, roasted broccoli, sweet potato, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Tuesday, that same chicken chopped up into a wrap with the salad greens with avocado, salsa, and a little cheese. Wednesday, chicken over salad with nuts, berries, and balsamic dressing. And again, it doesn't always have to be chicken, obviously. You could be doing steak or ground turkey, tofu tempeh. I'm just trying to give you this idea that you can do the same prep with endless variety when you start thinking in terms of categories and building perfect plates. Now, let's talk about what this approach literally saves you. First, time. Instead of cooking every single night for 30 minutes to 1 hour, you cook once for 90 to 120 minutes, saving you minimum 2 to 3 hours per week. Second, it saves you money. The average family spends around $12 to $15 per person eating out. That's $60 to $75 for a family of 5 for one meal. And this meal prep is about $3 to $5 per serving. So you're literally saving hundreds of dollars per month and eating healthier foods. And the health benefits are priceless. You're eating real food. You're able to control your portions with the perfect plate method, and you're nourishing your body and you're being proactive. This could truly change your life. And as we close this video up, here's a quick rapid fire on common mistakes and what to look out for when taking an approach like this. Mistake number 1, prepping foods you don't actually like, but you want to like. Look, if you hate Brussels sprouts, don't prep them. Pick foods you enjoy. And here's a telltale sign. If some type of food is sitting in your refrigerator going bad, like you're not actually using it, you're not excited to eat it. So buy less of it and get it out of your food rotation. Mistake 2, trying to prep breakfast, lunch, and dinner all at once. Start with just lunch or just with dinner. Build one habit first in your highest leverage area. Mistake 3, not investing in basic tools like the rice cooker or the pressure cooker or just some glass containers. These pay for themselves in weeks. Mistake 4, overcooking your proteins. No one wants the dry chicken. Use a meat thermometer, put it to around 150 degrees on most proteins, and you're set. All right, here's what I want you to do right now. Step 1, write down your go-to proteins, veggies, carbs, and healthy fats. What do you like to eat? What does your family like to eat? Even comment below. I'd love to see your choices. Step 2, pick one day this week, probably a Wednesday or a Sunday, and block out 2 hours for meal prep. Step 3, go to the grocery store and buy only those ingredients in bulk. If you want to save money, you can buy in big bulk, and then you can freeze some of this stuff. And if you want the exact meal plan, grocery list, all the recipes laid out, we have a complete free one-day meal plan linked in the description below and on our websites, FitFather and FitMother.com. We give you all the recipes, the portions, and the prep instructions to make your life so easy. Here at the FitFather and FitMother Projects, our Foundations program, we've helped over 60,000 parents transform their health, lose fat, improve their biomarkers, start exercising and strength training, and we'd love to help you too. So you can visit our websites, FitFather.com and FitMother.com. Now, I know you're busy, you're tired after work, you've got a million things on your plate, so that's why this concept is so important. Your health matters, your energy matters, and the example you're setting for yourself and your kids matters too. Meal prep is not about perfection, it's about progress, it's about consistency, it's about making one decision on Sunday that helps ripple this positive effect throughout all the rest of the days of the week. So seriously, give this a try. Try it for 1 week and I promise it's gonna change everything. Build those perfect plates. I'm Dr. Anthony Balduzzi, health expert for busy parents. Thank you for watching. Now go prep those meals and control your health, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments below. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the upcoming installments.